In this video, I am going to show you how to fix your Brother MFC-J 4535dw printer that is printing the blank pages or it's not printing properly. For example, we can see on these prints all the inks are not showing up properly. Now the first step is to check the ink status, if you have enough ink in your printer or not. Open the front chamber, press it down, and we can clearly see all the inks are full. So we have to do the print head cleaning. Because we are not using the printer from few weeks, so ink is clogged in the print head. There are few steps like doing the automatic cleaning and doing the manual print head cleaning. So we'll start with the automatic print head cleaning. First step is to click on the setting icon, select maintenance, select the option print head cleaning, select all colors. If you have black only, you can do that, or you can do for the colors, but right now I can see all the inks are not working, so select all. It gives you the option like normal, strong and strongest. So let's do the normal. And press start. So this will consume less ink as compared to the stronger and strongest, and it will also take few minutes for the print head cleaning. Because it's an automatic print head cleaning, so we don't have to do anything else. So just wait. We can clearly see the cleaning is done, and now we can click on the print nozzle check sheet. So click on the yes and load a paper, and then click on the start icon. Let's check the print result. So you can clearly see all the inks are very fade and they are not working properly. So let's go to the printer display panel and confirm all the result. It will ask you, are there any dotted lines missing? Click yes. So first it will ask you to check about the magenta. So magenta was working perfect, so that is 1. For Cayan, we can select the number 2. For yellow, we can see dotted lines at number 2. For black, that's the last option. For black, it's around 3. So you have to select that and click on the start. Print head cleaning is done. So let's repeat the nozzle check sheet. So click on the yes and start. Let's check the print results. So this is the second time we have done the print head cleaning. So right now we can see the print result has improved a lot, and magenta is showing up, Cayan is showing up, yellow is showing up, but the black ink is little bit incomplete. So let's go for the third cleaning. So it's easy to repeat the process, it will save the ink. So click on the yes because we have dotted lines. Magenta is okay, Cayan is okay, even the yellow is okay. For the black we can see it has arrived up to number 2. Now click on the start. Again it's going to do the printhead cleaning. Let's wait for the final result. For the third time we have completed the printhead cleaning. Let's print the nozzle check sheet. So here we can see in the end it has started to print clearly, and we can also see there are only few dots left in the black ink. That means we have almost unclogged the printhead. Now if you want, you can repeat the cleaning again for one time. So once you see the result, we have to go to the main screen, click yes, select magenta number 1, Cayan number 1, yellow number 1. For black we can see it's still like missing few dots, so select number 2 and click start. So this is the fourth time I'm doing it, and hopefully it will fix the clogged ink. Printhead cleaning is done for the fourth time. Let's print the nozzle check sheet. If you use this method, you will save a lot of ink because it takes little ink when you repeat the simple printhead cleaning. Let's check the print result. We can clearly see all the inks has started to work. There is no clogged ink anymore. And now we can resume our normal printing. Go to the printer display panel. Because there are no dotted lines, so we will click on the no. Printhead nozzles are okay, and now we can go back to the main screen. So always start with the printhead cleaning with all colors and the normal, because in the normal it will take less ink and you will save a lot of ink when you do the printhead cleaning, so you don't have to go for strong or strongest option. Now you can try those options if the normal option is not working for you. Even after doing that, if that doesn't work, then you can do the manual printhead cleaning, and if you want to know how to do that, you can watch my video for that. Thanks for watching.